Hello, it's your teacher, Ms. Esther, and today I'm here to teach you the letter T. This is T the tiger. Say hello, T. Do you know what tigers have? They have really sharp teeth. And this tiger in this story is tapping his tooth. And the action we read about on the back is that we're going to tap our tooth with our finger and say the sound t, t, t. Make that sound. If you say it just right, you're almost spitting. Spit almost comes out of your mouth. T, t, t. Make sure you don't add an sound at the end of it, so it's not this. Ta, it's this. T, t, t. Perfect. Okay, so let's hear the song. And when I point to you, make that sound. We'll just do part of the song. You can do more of the song at home with your instructor.
T, the tiger taps and taps and taps his troublesome tooth.
Get ready to make the sound.
All day long on a terrible Tuesday.
Again, ready?
He taps and taps and taps.
That's a lot of tapping he does. I think finally his tooth tumbles out. When you put your tooth under the pillow, I bet the tooth fairy comes. But you have to keep your teeth clean. So today is teeth day. Do you ever go to your dentist to have your teeth clean? He'll tell you to brush your teeth morning and night. So right here in the Amazing Action Alphabet Activity book, the theme's in here and a tooth chart's in there. So when you brush your teeth in the morning, you can write a T. When you brush them at night, you can also write a T. When you've recorded how many times you've brushed your teeth, your instructor will give you a certificate of achievement. So that's pretty awesome. Now those of you that are on this level, you're learning how to write the letter T. So when you're writing the letter T, your parents can use the Amazing Action Alphabet Handwriting Level 1 book, and they can put this paper on a sheet protector, and you can write it with 3 different colors. I like to do rainbow writing. So it goes down, across on the top, and then you can go down, across in the middle, and then when you get really good, you can write your letter T's in the tooth. Now, for those of you that are a little bit older and ready to start the reading process, we can play this game. We're going to listen for the beginning sounds in these pictures. If it starts with a T, we're going to put a T on it. If it starts with a because you've learned M, we're going to put an M on it. So this is a monkey. Monkey. I bet that's an M. This is a tooth. Tooth. That starts with a T. And then right here is our reading part. So these are all the things that we can do or hear around the house that make the t sound. Look, she's tapping. So let's make that sound when she taps. T, t, t. Oh, if you did a really good job, you get to brush out one of those cavities on your mouth. If your parents want to make a mouth and laminate it, and they can have you cross out one of the cavities when you do a good job. So this one's tapping, the hammer's tapping the nail. T, 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 as they're tapping the nail. So read that story and make sure you color in each time you've read it when you're finished. Now we have learned the letter M, and now we've also learned the letter T. So I'm going to put both of these letters on the chart, or on the, and let's practice it. Big M, little M, Big T, little t, 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 t. Awesome. So these activities and more can be found at the SeeHearDoCompany.com.